Good evening, everyone, and thanks for joining us. I'm Liz Quirantes.
I'm Jim Grimes. We begin with the COVID crisis. As restrictions ease nationwide, new COVID deaths are being reported in Florida linked to COVID variants.
The mutant strains, which are more transmissible, contagious, and even more deadly, have more than doubled in just the last 2 weeks. As CBS 12's Stephanie Valderrama explains, the first deaths linked to variants were just reported in Palm Beach County. Stephanie?
Jim, Liz, that's right. According to a Palm Beach Post report, the death of 4 Palm Beach County residents linked to those variants.
More than 8,500 variant strains have been reported in Florida, according to CDC data, the most in the country, only followed by California. The dominant strain, B.1.1.7, commonly known as the UK variant. According to the CDC, in Florida through mid-April, 62% of reported cases were the UK variant, 5.4% of cases were the Brazilian variant, and 0.2% of the cases were the South African variant.
The ones we worry about are the Brazilian strains and the Indian strain. People are gonna get sicker, and there's a chance of dying from that strain.
Palm Beach County reporting the 4th highest number of variant cases with more than 600. The variant cases now linked to the death of 62 Floridians. Lead researcher of the Palm Beach Research Center, David Scott, says the staggering number has left him with a lot of questions.
What I was not able to determine is the unfortunate deaths from the variants, whether or not they had taken and received a vaccine.
New studies released this week show the Pfizer vaccine is working well against the variants, especially the UK variant, but a booster would increase protection. Meanwhile, Moderna is close to filing for emergency use authorization for its booster shot, which new studies show is effective against the Brazilian and South African strain.
How high the efficacy is going to take a lot more numbers statistically to be able to show. But all the initial data, both for Moderna and for Pfizer, show that it is effective against the variants.
So experts tell me the treatments currently being used on COVID patients, they're not as effective in people that are infected with the variants, which is why vaccination is so important, because any protection is better than none. Reporting live in West Palm Beach, Stephanie Valderrama, CBS 12 News.